China has long been representing the well-established fabric market with regards to a number of leading fabric brands, and made-in-China brands are often considered synonymously with refined fashion taste, elegance, and affordable costs. The perceptions of Chinese fabric brand are unalterably imprinted in consumers' minds as the vivid reflection of craft and classic. Among them, ریادة is one of the widely recognized representatives of Chinese fashion. ریادة embodies success at the niche market in upholstery area, knitting for home fabric. In 1991, Mr. Zhang established the fashion house, and in the following decades, we have been constantly rewarded as maintaining exemplary standards by a number of accolades. ریادة original knowledge of fabric allows the company stand at the principal position to lead the market. Its vibrant colors with unique and intricate patterns set a high standard in the upholstery field. The brand currently operates in Europe, Asian, American, and African, with thousands of cooperating partners. As a multinational enterprise, the Chinese domestic market contributes about 20% of total ریادة sales, followed by Mid-East and EU markets.